Hello and welcome everybody. My name is the IT guy and today we'll be looking at how to update to the 1903 version of Windows, the newest, the latest and greatest version of Windows. Now, the reason why you're not receiving this update already might be because your Windows version is not the home version. So the way this actually works is the Windows 10 update channels are different for the Windows 10 Home and the Windows 10 Pro environment. With the Windows 10 home environments, which is Windows 10 licenses for home use, the update is a little bit more aggressive. Well, I'm not gonna say really, not really aggressive, but I mean it's more readily available. So whenever an update comes out, it will first release for the home versions, and also home versions will install that update automatically whenever they download it, unless you specify this otherwise in the system settings. But by default, in the Windows 10 home environment, it will start this update immediately, whereas in the Windows 10 Pro environment, the updates will be scheduled a little bit later. And the reason for that is Microsoft likes to keep a little bit of space in between the updates, where the update releases and where they actually release it for the Pro licenses, because the Pro licenses are licensed for business users. And as you might have noticed, that sometimes in Windows updates, whenever there's a new update released, there are some bugs here and there, and I think that Microsoft just plays it safe and waits for whenever the update is stable enough to release it to the professional licenses. And there's a good reason for that, of course, because people running a business cannot afford to run an unstable operating system. So that's why the channel of the Pro licenses releases its updates a little bit later, and also doesn't force it as brutally as the Windows 10 home products. So let's say you have a Windows 10 home or a Windows 10 Pro license, but you know that the update is already out, but your computer is not installing it for any reason. So the reason for that is that you might have to wait a little bit longer. Sometimes it just takes a little bit longer for certain PCs to update, or you can just force it on the computer. You can really force the update, and the way to do that is just going over to the Start menu over here, going over to the Settings menu, and then go over to Update and Security, and then right over here, when your PC is completely up to date, you'll need to make sure that your PC is completely up to date, and if that's not the case, you can check for updates until it's actually up to date. And after that, then the feature update to Windows 10 version 1903 will become available, and then you can change download and install. Then you can click download and install now, and that's exactly what will happen. So right now the update is downloading on my computer, and whenever the download is ready, I will be able to install it, and hopefully the update will succeed and cause no issues on my computer. So yeah, that's actually basically all you need to do. Now you know the reason why your Windows 10 Pro license did not receive the update yet. It has to do with the different Microsoft Windows update channels. So I hope that you enjoyed the vid, and if you did, please leave a like and a comment below. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.